Hey Dazers! Welcome back to our channel. We are doing something exciting today. What are we doing, Hajia?
A giveaway!
We are doing a giveaway! Alright. Why are we doing this giveaway, Hajia?
For 500 subscribers!
You heard that? 500 subscribers! Oh my goodness, thank you guys so much. Thanks for all the love. Thanks for all the support. We couldn't have come this far without your help. Now, how are we going to be doing this?
We are going to draw a name from the shout-out box.
We're going to be drawing a name from the shout-out box. How is this happening? Are we just going to do the shout-out like we always do, or?
Nope.
How are we going to do it?
We're going to take all of the names that have been shouted out in the past, and we're going to put them in the shout-out box and shake it for a little while, and then pick one lucky winner.
Yeah, so we're going to put all the names back in the shout-out box, all the names that got shout-out.
Every single name.
Yeah, we're going to put them all back in there, and we're going to pick one lucky winner. It's not 3 this time. It's one lucky winner, and that lucky winner wins something amazing. What are they going to be getting for the giveaway?
A decadent chocolate cake or red velvet.
All right, so it's going to be a decadent red velvet or chocolate cake. It will be either one of those. You get to pick. Whoever the winner is, they get to pick. Now, it's all, of course, made by moi. All right, so you let us know if you're that lucky winner. You let us know which one you would prefer. Now, we hope that the winner would be somebody who lives in our vicinity, all right, someone who lives in metropolitan Columbus. So that would make things a lot easier. But if you do not, the lucky winner does not live in Columbus, Ohio, guess what? We're going to try to work with, a local baker in their vicinity and get them the same size cake or the same, decadentness or, velvetiness or creaminess or yumminess, get that going for them. So we'll work something out. All right. We love all our loyal subscribers and supporters. And, this is a chance. I wish I could give everybody, but sister here ain't got it all. So we're going to try to, treat one lucky loyal subscriber, all right, or one lucky loyal Dazer. So I hope and I pray that it is you. All right, so fingers crossed and make dua, make lots of dua. It could be you. All right, so we are going to get that going in the next coming weeks or days. Hopefully not more than 2 weeks. All right. So in the next week or two, we'll have this out and, deliver it to whoever the lucky winner is. I'll make the cake and then we'll pick the name and we'll present it and we'll post a video on here. So look out, stay tuned, watch out for this video. It's coming and I hope it is you. All right, thank you guys so much. As always,
be sure to like,
comment,
and subscribe. And don't forget to share.
And don't forget to share and turn on your post notification bell. Thank you and see you next time. Bye, Dazers.
Bye. Our very first annual giveaway.
Okay, well, our very first giveaway. How are you gonna be doing this?
From the shout out box.
We are going to. So how are we gonna do this? We're going to put all the names back in the shout out box, and we're going to shake it. Well, just shake it. Chocolate cake or red velvet cake.
If you don't like any of those, then I'm sorry, but you can give it out, I guess.
You can sell it.
Yeah.
All right.
On eBay for $10.
$10.
No, I'm just
you
kidding.